Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Zalando gift card. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to begin by launching the Zalando app on your smartphone. Ensure that you're logged into your account. If you do not have one, take a moment to create it. It's pretty much quick and easy. Now, once you get into the website or into the home page, it has a fantastic user interface. Tap on the account icon that is typically located at the top right corner of the screen. It used to be at the bottom, but now it has been moved to the top. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to your personal account dashboard. Within your accounts menu, you have a couple of options: Zalando Plus, others, returns, loyalty programs, personal deals, gift cards, app settings, your sale boxes. So just go ahead and select gift cards. Now, this section allows you to manage and redeem your gift cards. So go ahead and tap on the gift card box, which is there, the communication box, which is there. So tap on it and carefully enter the unique code from your Zalando gift card. Once you enter it in this communication box, double check for any typos to ensure accuracy. Now here it says gift cards can take up to 24 hours to activate, so you need a little bit of patience. After entering the code, go ahead and tap on add gift card, and the gift card amount will be added to your account balance, ready for use on your next purchase. So browse through Zalando's vast selection of fashion items, and when you're ready to check out, add your desired items to the cart. Proceed to the checkout. On the payment method, select your Zalando gift card balance, and if your purchase exceeds the gift card amount, you can pay the remaining balance using another payment method. To view your remaining gift card balance, you can head over to My Account and tap on Gift Card, and your current balance will be displayed at the top of this page from this window. Now, Zalando gift cards do not expire, so you can use them at your convenience. You can redeem multiple gift cards and balances will accumulate in your account. If your order total is less than your gift card balance, the remaining amount stays in your account for future purchases. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.